Welcome to our channel Ma Chinnabadi. Please share, like and subscribe this channel and give your valuable support to us. Press on bell button to get notifications. Ideas of development. For comparing countries, their income is considered as the main factor because if the people have money, they should have whatever they like. They will be able to get more things, so greater income is considered as the main factor to comparing countries. What is the income of the country? What is the income of the country? It is the income of the all residents of the country. What is the income of the country? It is the income of the all residents of the country. That's why this is called national income. That's why this is called national income. However, for comparison two countries, total income is not such a useful measure countries having countries having different population. The population will be changed from country to country. The population will be changed from country to country. Hence, we compare with the average income. We compare with the average income. Then what is average income? How we will get it? What is average income? Just simple. Which is the national income or total income of country divided by the total population? What is the average income? Which is the national income divided by the total population? This is average income. The average income also called as per capita income. The average income also called as per capita income. World Bank was presently using a classification to make World Development Report, that is, which countries are having per capita income of 12,600 US dollars are developed countries and above are developed countries. What are the developed countries? Which countries are having 12,600 US dollars, 12,600 US dollars and above are called as developed countries. And second one, which countries having 1035 or less than are called low income countries. Which countries having 1035 US dollars or less than are called low income countries. World Bank simply divided the countries into two types. First one is the higher income countries and lower. Second one is the lower income countries. Which countries having per capita income of 12,600 US dollars and above are developed countries. Which countries are having 1035 or less than are called low income countries. Which countries having between $1,035 to $12,600 are called middle income countries. What are these? These are middle income countries. Hick and Stratton. But The professors like Hick and Stratton being said, this is not a right method to compare the nations on a basis of per capita income. They suggested we should also consider another important factors in addition to per capita income. Those are first one health facilities, second one educational facilities, and third one food and supply of calories, and fourth one sanitation, and fifth one and last one infant mortality rate.